If you had a penny today and you double that penny for the next 28 days, you would be a millionaire. So this concept right here is often overlooked or just simply not understood by most investors out there. However, once you grasp this concept I'm about to go through with you guys, you yourself can turn a penny into $1 million. Guys, drop a huge like on this video if you understand compound interest, and let's get this video to 100 likes. And of course, as usual, if you're new here, consider subscribing down below by smashing that subscribe button and hit that bell notification as well so you don't miss any new videos. So like I said, if you had a penny today and you kept doubling that penny's value every single day for the next 28 days, you would be a millionaire. So as you can see from this chart here, it starts off pretty slow. In fact, even after 18 days, you're barely above $1,000. But then you see something incredible happen where in the next 3 days, you're at 10K, 4 days later, you're at 150K, and then 3 days after that, you're at $1.3 million. Now, is it realistic to turn a penny into $1 million in 28 days? No. But the concept learned here, the concept of compound interest, can help you turn your money right now into $1 million over your investing career. So compound interest is pretty much when you have your money grow year over year on the interest or gains that you've earned in addition to your principal amount. So to better understand this, let's jump into a more realistic example here to help you understand how compound interest can help you with your investments. So say you have $5,000 to invest today, and on average you put in another $5,000 every single year into your investments. Well, now let's assume you just throw this into an S&P 500, which on average gains 8% yearly. Now, as you can see, after 35 years of consistently doing this, you should end up a millionaire. Now, when you add up how much money you've contributed every single month over this span, you would have contributed around $180,000 of your own money, but the remaining $820,000 that brought you to that $1 million status was all earned through compound interest. Now, this looks a lot more realistic to achieve than the penny to $1 million in 28 days, right? Now, if you're in your 20s, which is the ideal time to start in my opinion, you can most likely do this for the next 35 years and you can have $1 million in your account by the time you retire. And just remember, this is with only $5,000 per year. So now here, if we bump up this amount to $10,000 per year, we can see that now we entirely changed the game and we only need 27 years. That's 8 years quicker to reach $1 million in your account. And of course, the more we can contribute to our investments every year, the quicker we can achieve our goal of $1 million in our account. And guys, you got to remember that this calculation that you just saw was with very basic math and just average returns from the S&P 500. And this got you to $1 million without really doing much work. The S&P 500 may have years where it's down 10% or years where it's up 20%, but on average it goes up around 8% every single year. So now you can imagine if you did your own research, your own due diligence, and you invested in individual stocks that you believe in and that could have a lot of upside potential, these returns of yours could be much, much bigger. So say you're a pretty good investor and your individual stock picks yield you around a 12% return every single year, then you would only need 27 years with a $5,000 contribution every single year to reach $1 million. That's 8 years less than if you got the average 8% return from the S&P 500. So guys, what I'm going to do for you is link this compound calculator in the description below, and I highly, highly encourage you to go check that out. I'm not sponsored or anything by that. Check it out, play around with it, and really understand the power of compound interest and how it can really change your life. And really, although it's not really possible or likely to become a millionaire in 28 days, it is definitely likely and possible to become a millionaire in 28 years. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to invest positively. Peace.